Hello everyone and welcome to this short video giving you a clarity how the payouts are offered in talent trackers for a particular JD handled by you. The payouts are fixed for a given JD and can be seen in list of JDs section on a tab My Payout. If you click, you can see your payout will be 50% if you are using own portal or 40% if you are using talent trackers candidate database. If I lock the JD, I will get a pop-up window, and once I accept the terms, I have to choose which kind of database I want to use for this particular JD. Here I am selecting own database. If I click lock for me, the JD will be moved to my workspace and a confirmation email will be sent to you that the JD is allocated to you and you can start work on the same. Now I am clicking my workspace where you can see the pending delivery, and here if you click on my payout, you will see that since you have chosen to use own database, your payout will be 50% for this JD. At the same time, a confirmation email is received summarizing the terms of the JD where payout is also mentioned. The payouts are generally offered in the range of 30 to 70% of the billing invoice value. Average payouts are around 40 to 50% of for the key JDs. The payouts are unchanged once declared. They are equal for all recruiters without any discrimination. It is Talent Tracker's team which decides the compensation, and their decision is final about the incentives and commissions. The payouts are generally depends on following factors. What is the CTC budget of the JD? Higher the CTC, more the payouts. The difficulty level of the JD. Say for a niche complex JD, the payouts can be higher. What are our sign up rates with client? Higher the sign up rates, higher the payouts. Aging of the JD. Old or reworked JD attracts more payout than a fresh JD. Exclusivity with the client. If Talent Trackers is the only vendor working on a position, then payouts are generally moderate. Your performance and consistency. The incentives also depend on how many closures you do in a month and what revenue contribution you are doing for yourself and us. Let's see an example how these commissions are calculated. On your screen, you are seeing a table where if the offered payout to you for a particular JD is 40%, if the CTC of the selected candidate is say 10 lakh rupees per annum, and Talent Tracker sign up rate with client, let's say 8.33% of the gross annual total CTC. In that case, the base invoice value without GST would be 10 lakh multiplied by 8.33%, that is rupees 83,300. Now your payout would be 40% of 83,300, which comes 33,320. In terms of formula, the payout is a product of base invoice value without GST and the percentage payout offered to you for that particular JD. The incentives can also be absolute value compensation instead of percentage. For example, as you see on your screen, let's say the CTC budget for a JD is 15 to 20 lakh. Let's say payout offer range to you by Talent Trackers is 40 to 50,000 for a successful closure. Then, based on the actual CTC offered to the candidate by client, Payout can be anything between 40 to 50k. It will be 40k for a 15 lakhs offered CTC and 50k for 20 lakhs offered CTC. Any CTC between 15 lakhs and 20 lakh, the payout would accordingly vary. Moving ahead, when the payouts are paid. Our standard terms with majority clients are 30 days from the date of joining of the candidate. In rare cases, they can be 45 or 60 days on case-to-case basis. Your payments are credited once we receive the payment from client on the same day of money credit to us. The transfer is electronic, NEFT IMPS, via our auto transfer payment gateway using the bank details provided by you during the sign up. We don't deduct TDS unless you are a consultancy or a recruitment company. Please connect with us offline if you have registered with us as a recruitment company or a consultancy. If you have any other queries related to the payouts, please feel free to get in touch. Thank you.